How to reset your iPhone. Whether it's a soft reset or factory reset, we have got you covered in this video. Let's dive in and catch every moment. Firstly, tap on Settings. Now scroll down on your screen and tap on the option called General. Now scroll down again on your screen and find the option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it. And now you have to tap on the second option, which is Erase all content and settings. Tap on Continue button to continue your process. Tap on Erase iPhone. And now you are required to enter your passcode. After following this process, you can easily reset your iPhone. If this trick worked for you, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.